What is up, guys, and welcome to another episode of Down South Off-Road and Outdoor. We are coming to you from Brown Mountain OHV Park and doing a little off-road shakedown run today. So, of course, what did you have to do?
Had to air down those big boys.
Make it soft, make it comfy, and give us some better traction. So, stay tuned. We're going to show you a budget-friendly way to... Guys, so I'm going to let Kim get this open. What we're looking at today is the 150 PSI air compressor from OPENROAD 4-wheel drive. Now, something that's interesting to note about this air compressor is it uses the exact same compressor as the Smitty-built air compressor, so you're getting the same thing for a little better price. Apparently it's packaged pretty tightly in that box, guys. I don't think they're gonna mind me taking a little longer up here, babe. Boom. All right. OPENROAD is fairly new. They have been blowing up on Instagram. They reached out to us and they sent us this just in time for our big 16-day trip out west. Now, you've seen the super budget-friendly air compressor that we've been using for the last 2 years. It was an Amazon special, but the downfall to it was that it pumped the tires up super slow. So holy cow, that thing is a monster. It's supposed to be 150 PSI. It has your air gauge already in it right there where you're gonna see it. You don't have to come back to the unit to see where your pressure is. This thing hooks into our battery and it's good to go. And the reason we wanted the battery hookup is because we've been using one that hooks into the cigarette lighter. And what's it been doing, babe?
Blowing fuses.
It's been blowing our fuses. So the reason that sucks if you're on the trail is you can't charge your cell phone. We can't charge our portable power station. So it's a big deal. So with this one, we just pop the hood, hook those terminals to the battery, and boom, we're off to the races. So we are gonna take these bad boys on the rest of these trails, and once we get done, we're gonna see how fast this pumps them up. Do you think it's gonna pump them up fast?
It is big. Bigger's better.
Bigger is better. You heard it here first, folks. The first woman that was honest. All right, guys, we just got off the trail. We've popped the hood. Everybody is ready to air up. So we're unzipping this bad boy. The goal today is for this to be faster than our other. All right. So let's look at go ahead and cut the cords open too. It's pretty and it matches Bella. And for your battery, you're gonna clip the black to black and the red to red. Easy peasy. Just find somewhere good that they clip on and don't move. Nice. She's gonna hook that right
Here.
to the end here. Yep. Pull that black ring back, pull it back. Pull the black ring back, shove it on, and then push that black ring forward. That seam on, and you've got a power switch right there. It's nice. And flip it on. You make airing up look really good, baby. Is that it? All right, for the next one, guys, we'll run a timer. So let me go back here to this one.
One thing I do like is that the air hose is pretty long, so I don't have to move it as often.
Yeah, so let me show that.
Really long.
It does have a really long hose, so you should be able to go to the other side as well. So let me get the camera. I'll do it in real time here, guys. Hold on 1 second. All right. So the only downside now is that we're here with the timer and So I'm gonna hit it as soon as. So this will be the only bad thing. To check your gauge, you have to turn the power off. So if the unit is over there and she wants to check her gauge here, she's gonna have to run over there if she's by herself. We getting close?
We went from 15 to 25.
15 to 25 in about a minute and 20 seconds. So yes, this is definitely way faster than our old compressor. Where are we at now? What are you taking it to? 35? All right, guys. So it did it in 2 minutes and 31 seconds. So our old compressor did it in 6 minutes. So this did a 37 in 2.5 minutes.
But at least now we know how long it took, so I don't have to go back and forth. I can just turn it off in a second once, right?
Sure. So I'm gonna reset, and then I'm gonna turn it off at 2.5 minutes. Oh, so here, I'll let you start it. I'm gonna go back over here. All right, guys, I'll be honest. This part is kind of dumb. So the reason we're having to turn it off, because this, can you see that? Yeah, you can see it now. Tilt it just a little more back towards you. So yeah, so while the unit is running, it doesn't show you how much air is in the tire until we turn the unit off.
Very good technique.
All right, here. You want to show them what?
A little longer. Turn it off. That's it.
Nice.
Yeah, so it's
2.5 minutes. That's pretty awesome. So guys, when you're using this, basically what she's doing now is just setting a timer, because it is almost exactly 2.5 minutes. So if she sets that timer, then she knows when she needs to get up and turn it off. So if you're by yourself, that's how you would do this. So all right, guys. We just pumped up 8 tires in 2.5 minutes each versus our normal 6 minutes with our Amazon budget compressor. Now the cool thing is that compressor would get hot and blow fuses after just 3 tires. This one has a 40-minute continuous cycle time. So we were able to just run it with no issues to pump up 8 tires. All back to back. It's very hot out here today. I will say this handle is vented, but it is extreme. I'm not gonna pick this up and move it with my bare hands. I'm gonna get a towel from the back. So what that also means is, because of all of our overlanding gear being stored inside, I'm not gonna put it near anything that I'm worried about melting. So I'm not gonna put it back in its container yet. I'm gonna just leave it sitting back there open for a little while to cool down. All right, guys, that was our quick, easy review of the OPENROAD 5.65 CFM, 150 PSI air compressor. I remembered all that. Are you proud of me? So, the only complaint really is that you have to turn it off and on to see what it's pumping, right? Is that your only complaint? It was very fast, 2.5 minutes.
quickly fixed with a timer.
Quickly fixed with a timer. So if you're out by yourself and you want to use something like this, because it is a friendly budget item, I think this thing's 125 bucks, and it's cutting our air up time in half.
Yep.
We don't need to keep quarters for the convenience stores or anything like that either. We don't have to worry about blowing our fuses with our cigarette lighter anymore because this is hooking straight to the battery. So if you're not familiar with OPENROAD, go check them out. They're full of winches, recovery gear, all kinds of stuff. So thanks for watching, guys. What do they need to do, baby?
Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and comment below. Let us know what you think about the product.
Did you say ring the little bell?
Ring the little bell.
That's what we're waiting on,
All right.
guys.
Ring the little bell so you'll get notified every time that we post a video. Until
Thanks.
next time, peace out.